how to do messenger video call. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video I am going to show you guys how you can video call on Messenger. So let's get started. Firstly, make sure that you have Messenger app installed on your device. If you haven't logged in into your account, make sure to log in into your account using your Facebook credentials. Now open the conversation with the person you want to call. In the conversation, look for the video camera icon in the upper right corner. Tap on it. Now the person you are calling will receive a notification and they can choose to accept or decline your video call. Keep in mind that both you and the person you are calling need to have a stable internet connection and both should be using the Messenger app. Now if the call is accepted, you can enjoy your video conversation. I hope you understood this tutorial. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel.